Let's look at multiple assignment and combined assignments. First, with multiple assignments, you can assign the same value to several variables with one statement. So if we look at line 9, we can see I have declared all of these different variables here. And if we look at line 10, we can see that I'm initializing them all to equal 10. You can do that just as it is here. You can also do it with parentheses, whichever you prefer. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way where you would say int a is equal to 10, int a is equal to b, int c is equal to 10. Okay, I think I said something wrong, but you get what I mean. You could do all these line by line if you'd like. Do it like this, or with parentheses. Either way works. It's just up to your programming style. Now for the bigger part, which is combined assignment operators. So if we scroll down a little bit, starting at line 19, we have all of these right here. If you haven't seen these before, it might look a little confusing at first, and I'm using them in examples right here. So basically how you would say this is x plus equals 4, x, and this is actually wrong. This should be minus equals 3, x times equals 10, x divided by equals 5, and then x modulus equals 3. Essentially what you're doing here is you're adding 4 to the sum of x and then setting that equal to x. So if x is equal to 5, you're going to be basically saying 5 plus 4 is equal to x again. So you don't have to declare another variable to store this or reinitialize, whatever have you. You're just basically reusing the x value. So this is going to be 9. So if x were 9, you do minus equals 3. Well, after this operation, it's going to be 6. If x is 6, you have times equals 10. Well, x now is going to be multiplied by 10 and then set equal to itself, so it'll be 60. 60 divided by equals 5 is going to give us 12, so x is 12 now, and then 12 modulus equals 3 is going to mean that x is 0 because there is no remainder for that operation. We don't have to stay with these kind of small form equations. We can expand them. So the odd lines are going to be it collapsed with the plus equals, times equals, modulus equals, and then the even line is going to be it expanded. So if we have x plus equals b plus 5, really whatever is on the right side is always going to be in parentheses. You can see that with all of these here. And then, like I said previously, you're just going to be adding x to itself here, or multiplying x to that. So this one we have x plus b plus 5. This one we have x times equals is really x is equal to x times all of this. And then x modulus equals is x is equal to x modulus and then all of this. So I hope that helped you learn multiple assignments and combine assignments a little bit better. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. And if you want more C++, check out that playlist linked below the like button.